Guys, now I'm back, and it's been 3 or 4 months that I haven't been uploading a video on my YouTube channel. It's because that I have been busy. Anyway, now we're going to unbox this Romoss LT20 20,000 mAh. It's a power bank. I'm going to open it. Recently, I have unboxed a Romoss Sense 8 Plus, but it's too bulky, which is why this what I want on the Romoss Sense LT20. Yeah, this power bank is 12,850 mAh, 5V 1A, and it has 3 ports that can charge for that can support a charger, a cable in here, which is Apple Type-C, USB, and a normal USB plug. Now we're going to open it. This thing is sealed. Now it's open. Let's see what's inside. Package includes a cord for charging your power bank, and of course the Romoss LT20 power bank. Has 3 ports. This for charging the power bank onto a Apple cord, a normal cord, and a Type-C cord. Okay, here's the manual. Okay, I need to remove this. It's 90%. This Romoss LT20 is a 20,000 mAh power bank that has a unique design compared with the other power banks in the lineup. It has LED display, black colored area with a glossy finish, while the rest of the body has a sandblasted texture to avoid scratches. Unlike the Night 20, the L20 has a smoother, grainy feel. There are 3 ways for the L20 to charge: via micro USB, Lightning, this for the Apple, and then the Type-C cord. This power bank can charge up to 2 mobile devices at the same time, 1 single lightning port and 1 double lightning port. The LED display shows the battery percentage of the power bank, which gives user a better idea of its power level. And the specifications for this Romoss has a protections 10 layer of smart protection, overcharge, overcurrent, reset, overdischarge, voltage surge, power surge, temperature surge, short circuit recovery, RFI protection for this power bank. This is my second power bank, the Romoss Sense 8 Plus, which is bulky, that I have sell it to anyone else, but I like this one. It's more stylish and small, lightweight, portable. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.